Do you want to clean your floors easily with a simple and effective spray mop for everyday use? In this video, we present models designed to spray just the right amount of water while offering great maneuverability. All links are available in the description below. To choose the right one, it's important to consider ease of use, tank capacity, and overall build quality. A good spray mop ensures quick and hassle-free cleaning. We have selected the 3 best spray mops on the market. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more home and cleaning comparisons. Here are the 3 best spray mops, from the most affordable to the most practical. First, the BPAWA Spray Mop is a smart and efficient cleaning solution designed to simplify your daily routine. Featuring a large 550 ml refillable water tank, it eliminates the need for heavy buckets while allowing you to use your preferred cleaning solution. Its one-hand spray operation makes cleaning effortless without bending, while the 360-degree swivel head easily reaches under furniture and into tight corners. This mop includes 3 washable microfiber pads compatible with standard flat mops, offering both wet and dry cleaning options for dust, hair, and stubborn stains. Built for versatility, it works on hardwood, tile, laminate, vinyl, and more. Lightweight, practical, and reusable, the BPAWA Spray Mop is ideal for maintaining spotless floors with minimal effort and maximum convenience. Next, the Exego Spray Mop offers a simple yet effective way to keep your floors clean with minimal effort. Designed for everyday use, it features both wet and dry cleaning functions, making it suitable for dusting as well as deep cleaning. Its refillable bottle allows you to add water or your favorite cleaning solution, while the 360-degree rotating head easily reaches tight spaces and areas under furniture. The mop comes with 3 reusable microfiber pads that are machine washable and compatible with standard systems, helping you save money over time. Suitable for a wide range of surfaces including hardwood, tile, laminate, and vinyl, it adapts to any home or workspace. Lightweight and easy to handle, the Exego Spray Mop is a practical choice for efficient and comfortable cleaning. Finally, the Mexerris Spray Mop offers a modern approach to cleaning by combining simplicity and efficiency. With its 2 410 ml tanks, it allows you to easily switch between different cleaning solutions without wasting time, which is especially useful for homes with multiple floor types. Its aluminum structure ensures excellent durability while remaining lightweight, making movements easier and reducing fatigue during extended cleaning sessions. The microfiber pads effectively capture dust and dirt, delivering a clean, streak-free finish. Its manual spray system, with no battery required, provides intuitive and silent operation, ideal for daily use. Suitable for surfaces such as wood, laminate, and other hard floors, it is a reliable solution for maintaining a clean home with minimal effort. You can find the links to the products in the description below. Don't hesitate to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. See you next time for another product comparison.